How to recover your StockX. First, you want to go to your browser, and here you want to type in on the search bar StockX account, or you want to simply search for StockX login, and you'll be able to see the official website here. After that, you want to tap on StockX website, and here you want to type in your email address, and simply press on continue. By doing so, it'll ask for your password, and you'll be able to see a forgot password option below the password tab. And by simply typing on forgot password, you will be sent a prompt to reset your password on your mail linked to StockX account. And by simply opening your mail from there, you'll be able to reset your password if you follow the prompts. Hope this video was helpful. And if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.